Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to unstar a presentation in Google Drive. If you've been using Google Drive for a while, you might have starred several files to keep them easily accessible. However, as your collection grows, it's important to keep things organized by removing stars from files you no longer need quick access to. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. This can be done either on your computer or your mobile device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. For mobile users, locate the Google Drive app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to find the presentation you want to unstar. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top of the screen. If you remember the name of the presentation, typing it into the search bar will help you locate it quickly. After finding your presentation, look for the three dots next to it. These dots represent a menu with additional options. Click on these three dots to open the menu. This action will reveal various options related to that specific file. Now comes the final step. Click on Remove from Starred. This option will unstar your presentation and remove it from your starred list. Once you select this option, you'll notice that the star icon next to your file disappears, indicating that it is no longer starred. And that's it! You've successfully unstarred a presentation in Google Drive. By following these simple steps, you can keep your starred items organized and ensure that only the most important files remain easily accessible. Remember, regularly managing your starred files helps maintain an efficient workspace in Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively.